Why did the book go to therapy? Because it had too many chapters, and it needed to ponder its plot twists to become more hilarious.
Why did the computer go to therapy? Because it had too many bites of emotion to ponder, and it needed to find a way to be more jubilant and less biter.
Why did the very hungry person yearn for a time machine at the buffet? Because they were so voracious and nostalgic for the days when their eating resilience had no limits.
Why did the voracious eater bring a time machine to the restaurant? Because they wanted to go back for seconds, thirds, and relive the nostalgia of endless buffets with delicious resilience.
Why did the fancy pen tell jokes at the office? Because it wanted to be eloquent and draw vivid smiles, spreading benevolent laughter. Why did the colorful book talk so nicely to everyone? Because it was both vivid and benevolent, sharing eloquent tales of adventure.